Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, in today's video guys, we'll be working on a Porsche Cayenne guys, first generation, years from 2002 all the way until 2010. What we'll show you guys today? Okay, we're going to show you where to find the relay for the fuel pump. Now, the bad news, you have two relays, okay, because you have two fuel pumps, one on the left side, one on the right side in the fuel tank. So, in today's video guys, we're going to show you guys, okay, where to find the relays for the fuel pump. We have another video that explains where to find the fuses, so make sure you guys you check this thing out as well. So if your Porsche Cayenne does not start and it's acting like it's missing fuel, not getting fuel, check those relays and that could definitely fix your problem guys. Now, we'll have more than 200 videos. Our goal is to save as much money as we can. All the parts and tools, including the replacement relays, will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Okay, let's go ahead, start on it guys, and if you want to see mechanical videos on this car, check out World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys. Those are our two mechanical channels. Now you can see we have this cover here guys, okay, this cover. So we need to go ahead and remove the cover. Okay, you can see it's on the right side of the engine. Okay, pull it out. Now, right here guys, okay, you can see this cover here, we need to remove it. Not just the little one, this is for the fuses and for one of the fuel pumps. Okay, but we'll need to remove the whole thing, okay, with the Torx 30, start looking bit, and we need to remove, okay, four screws. Okay, one's out. Second. Okay, third fuse here. And then we have one more. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, we pull that cover out guys. Okay, and on the back side, let me show you now, you don't see anything. Okay, there is nothing here. Now, where are the relays for the fuel pump? Okay, this relay right here guys, this is for your for your right. Okay, let me make sure again. This right here, relay number 19, this is for your right fuel pump. Okay, and this relay here is for your left fuel pump. And those, okay, usually grab them by hand, wiggle them, pull them out, and this is guys your relay. You can check them out and we'll have them listed where we get them from and the parts number in the description of the video below, so please check it out. So those are the two relays for the fuel pump. Thank you for watching guys, please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.